Hello, so this screencast is going to be about how to print the homework when I share it on ClassDojo. So this is my screen. I don't have a parent account, so I'm assuming that yours looks very similar to mine. What you do to access the homework is you go to Stories, where I'll post it, and then down below you should find whatever homework assignment you are interested in. I do apologize that some of them are flipped. I can flip them, but it just takes so long to flip them to the right side, and sometimes I scan it as I'm doing Planner, so I do apologize for that. So if I'm interested in this homework assignment, I just simply click on it, and it goes to full screen. Then what you're going to do on your keyboard is you're going to press print screen. Now let me show you what that looks like because there's some different ones. So on this keyboard, print screen here says PRTSC. You just simply hold down on that button and then it will print your screen guaranteed. If you have a older keyboard, such as this one, it will say print screen and you just simply hold it for 3 seconds and then you let go. After you do that, let me do that on mine. So after you do that, I'm going to go ahead. I'm printing screen right now, pressing it down. I opened a Google Doc. I did that as I just went into my URL up here and I just typed in Google Docs and then I just entered through my Gmail. You must be signed into a Gmail account to do this, and your student will know how to get into a Gmail account and how to use Google Docs because we use them in the classroom. When you're in Google Docs, you can find a blank paper. With the cursor, see how it's blinking over here? I just take my cursor and I put it by it. I hit Control V, and then you will see this screen appear. What I do is I like to go ahead and just get rid of all this extra garbage because I don't really need it. So I go to Crop Image and I just pull down these black bars to as much as the stuff as I need to get rid of. Now there may be faster ways, and that's fine. This is the way that I find most effective and the way that I can quickly and easily teach somebody. So I got rid of most of all the garbage that I wanted. And what I'm going to do now is you might be saying, oh wow, that's still really, really tiny. Well, yes. So what we're going to do to make it bigger is we're going to expand it. So we're just going to wrap text. I always find it easier when you wrap text that it's easier to move the picture around the screen instead of not wrapping the text. So you're going to go ahead and you can blow it up as big as you want. You may experiment with this because everybody is different. Some people like it so that way it fits the whole page. Some people don't. Whatever floats your boat, as I tell the students, floats my boat as well. So you may be saying, oh, okay, that's the good size, but it's still upside down, and when you print it out, you can flip the paper over. But if you want it on your Google Doc, perfect. There's this cool little, I don't know what you could call it, a circle and a line, and you could just simply spin it. And then you just keep spinning it until you make it the way that you want it to be. And when it comes to the perfect size that you want it, so I'm not going to spend all night just spinning it here. Close enough. Little angled, but that's close enough just for time. So when you're happy with it, you can just hit your print option and go ahead and print. If that is not what you want to do, if you want to be a little tech savvy and you want to go ahead and type your answers on here by using the text feature, that's fine. If you want to go ahead and print it out, that's fine, and turn it in. That works as well. Whatever makes you happy is fine with me. If you're going to go ahead and type your answers in on here, you can go ahead and hit share and save it to when you share it with my email. You have to like title it, whatever you want, and you just put in my email address, and then you can hit done and you can send it to me. Or you can get the shareable link. You just Control C this, Control and hold C. You can go to Google Docs, and then you can just simply send me a dojo with the link, and I can open it that way. So now homework can never be lost because I am also posting it on ClassDojo for the stories, and you can do it on Google Doc and print it out. You can do it using something else that you like to do, and that's just this simple and quickest format version that I have for how you can print something out of ClassDojo. So hopefully this video was helpful, and hopefully that this will make everything a lot more easier. So now if you have Class Dojo, you can't say that you forgot it because you don't have to print it out. They can also write on the assignment in the Google Doc as well. So Google has thought of everything. So if you have any more questions, just let me know. I can show you on another one how you can type on this. Obviously, you just can't click on it and it does it. It's still it's still linked to the, how do you describe it? It's not really linked. I guess in simplest terms, it's the paper is not taking over the Google Doc. It's kind of like a picture. It doesn't understand that it's a homework assignment, I guess is the best way to describe it. So that is how you do that. If you have any more other versions, that is perfect with me. Until then, I hope this was helpful. Take care.